student, and warm welcome to all of you in my new and interesting session on mathematics. So friend, are you ready to study and enjoy our today's session? So let us start our today's session. So friend, today in this video we are going to learn about differentiation. So initially let us take some basic information about differentiation. So friend, differentiation and derivative both are the alternative word. So please don't confuse in it. Differentiation means suppose a big work is cut into small pieces. Then each small piece is called as differentiation. Is that clear? Let me explain in a simple way. In sugarcane factory, sugar is obtained from sugarcane. Means in another word you can say that sugar is the derivative of sugarcane. Understood? If a function is denoted by f of x, then its derivative is denoted by f dash x. If a function is denoted by y, then its derivative is denoted by either y dash or dy by dx. And it is read as derivative of y means function with respect to x. Understood? So friend, in previous class you had learned some basic formulae of differentiation. So let me repeat here once again. So friend, derivative of k means constant. Constant means those term which is not attached to variable. And the derivative of constant term is always taken as 0. Understood? Second function is x. So friend, derivative of x with respect to x is always taken as 1. Derivative of nx. Okay? So friend, derivative of nx with respect to x is always taken as n, because the derivative of x with respect to x means 1. 1 multiplied by n means n. Suppose you have to given 5x, then what is the derivative of 5x? 5. What is the derivative of 10x? 10. Similarly, derivative of nx is always taken as n. Your fourth function is derivative of x raised to power n. If you have to given x raised to power n means exponential term, and if you have to say find its derivative. So for finding the derivative of x raised to power n, write n as a coefficient, means take this power as a coefficient and reduce its power by 1. Okay? Means the derivative of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. Then what is the derivative of x raised to power 10? So take this power 10 as a coefficient and reduce power by 1 means 9. So derivative of x raised to power 10 is 10 times x raised to. Derivative of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This derivative of 1 by x is also calculated by this formula, that is x raised to power n. 1 by x is also written as 1 by x raised to power 1. According to law of indices, it is also written as x raised to power minus 1. Now x raised to power minus 1. Okay. So what is the derivative of x raised to power n? Take power as a coefficient and reduce power by 1. So derivative of x raised to power minus 1 is minus 1 x raised to power minus 1 minus 1. Means minus 1 x raised to power minus 2. It is also written as 1 by x square. Got it? Derivative of root x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is also calculated by this formula x raised to power n. Root x. It is also written as x raised to power 1 by 2. So according to this formula, take this power as a coefficient Okay, and reduce power by 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2, right? In a denominator 1 by x raised to power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and x raised to power 1 by 2 means root x. Okay, derivative of e raised to power x. Derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. Derivative of a raised to power x. Derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. Understood? Now write down this formula in your register. Now let us learn about the derivative of trigonometric function. So first trigonometric ratio is sin x. So friend, derivative of sin x is taken as cos x. Now derivative of cos x is taken as sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x is cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. And derivative of cosec x is cosec x into cot x. Okay. Now write down the minus sign. So those trigonometric ratio which is started from C, okay, write down its derivative as negative. Means here this cos it is started from C, cot it is started from C, cosec it is also started from C. So write down it. So write down minus. Understood? Means the derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is sec square x, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, while the derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Got it? So friend, to understand better this formula, let us take some example. So your question is differentiate x square plus 5x plus sin x with respect to x. Okay. So friend, while solving this problem, initially represent the given function by y. So write down it. Let y is equal to x square plus 5x plus sin x. Okay. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. So write down differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx. D by dx means derivative of this function with respect to x. X square plus 5x plus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to, now this d by dx term separate it. So d by dx of x square, d by dx of 5x, d by dx of sin x. So d by dx of x square. So this term is matched with x raised to power n, and according to this formula, what is the derivative of x square? So write this 2 as a coefficient and reduce its power by 1, means 2 minus 1 means 1, x raised to power 1 means x, plus derivative of 5x. Okay, this is matched with nx. What is the derivative of nx? N. Then what is the derivative of 5x? 5. So write down 5 plus derivative of sin x. So according to this formula, derivative of sin x is cos x. So friend, by using these formulas, you can easily find out the derivative of any function. Got it? So I hope you understood and enjoyed today's session. And if you really understood and enjoyed today's session, then some problem are displayed on your screen. Please note down it and solve it at home. And please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.